Do you really like those pictures of neutral rooms, but worry that your own might end up looking a bit boring? Well, just because you're going for a neutral color scheme doesn't mean you can skip planning your colors. Today, I want to show you 10 must-know tips for neutral modern room design. You can use these tips in your room. If you skip these tips and tricks, your neutral room might end up feeling a bit dull. But don't worry, they're simple to add to your space. Plus, we will give you a budget-friendly products, and actually you can find it on Amazon. So if you find something you like, it's available online. Anyway, link of products are in the description below. So let's get started. Number 1, use wood furnishings and accessories. Adding wood things like desks, nightstands, or even wood flooring if possible to a neutral modern room is a great idea. Wood makes the room feel cozy and interesting. It's like adding a warm touch to a plain place. Wood is also always in style, and it makes the room feel more like nature, which is nice and relaxing. Plus, wood looks good with almost everything, so it's easy to match with other stuff in your room. So, using wood in a light-colored room is a really good way to make it look and feel nicer. Number 2, personalize with art and decor. Adding personal art and decor to a light-colored room is a great idea. By displaying your favorite pictures or unique items, you make the space truly yours, adding character to the otherwise clean but potentially plain light colors. This personal touch transforms the room into a cozy and welcoming environment, much like how wearing your favorite clothes makes you feel more comfortable and true to yourself. Number 3, add texture. When you're decorating a room with light colors, adding things like textured pillows, blankets, and baskets is a really good idea. Why? Because even though light colors are nice and clean, they can sometimes make a room feel a bit cold or plain. So adding textures adds warmth and coziness, making the room more inviting and visually interesting. Plus, these textured items make the room more interesting to look at and feel. And the best part is, the versatility of these items also allows for easy updates to the room's look, enhancing the cozy and dynamic feel of a neutral modern space. Number 4, include touches of black. Putting some black things like picture frames or a bed frame in a room with light colors is a good idea. Black pops against light colors, making the room look more interesting and stylish. It's like how a black belt looks good with a white outfit. Black is always modern, so your room looks up to date. Using black accents is an easy way to make your room look sharp and nice. Number 5, vary neutral shades. Using different shades of neutral colors in a room is a really good tip. When you have a room with mostly light colors like white, beige, or gray, using just one shade can make it look flat. But if you mix in different shades of these colors, like light gray with dark gray, it makes the room have more depth. It's like adding layers to make the room look more interesting. This way, your room won't feel boring even though the colors are simple. Plus, playing with shades can help some parts of the room stand out more. It's an easy way to make your room look cool and modern without using bright colors. Number 6, incorporate patterns. Using patterns in a room with light colors is a really smart move. When your room is mostly white or gray, adding a bit of pattern can make it more exciting. You can use patterns in curtains, on chairs, in pillows, on carpets, or in pictures. This makes the room look more lively without being too much. Patterns catch your eye and make the room more fun to be in. They're also a good way to show your style without changing the room's simple and modern feel. So, adding a little bit of pattern is a simple way to spice up a room that has light colors. Number 7, bring in plants. Adding plants to a room with light colors is a great idea. Plants make the room feel more alive and fresh. They bring a little bit of nature inside, which is really nice. When you have a room with simple colors like white or gray, plants add a pop of green and make it more interesting. You can use different kinds of indoor plants to make the space feel more lively. This is an easy and fun way to make your room look better and feel more relaxing. So, putting plants in a light-colored room is a simple and smart way to improve the look and feel of the space. Number 8, balance light and dark. In a neutral room, mixing light and dark things is a great tip. This is because when you have a room with mostly light colors, adding a few dark items like a black coffee table or dark lampshades can really make the room look more interesting. These darker items draw attention and add a touch of drama, enhancing the modern design's simplicity with stylish contrast, making the room look sophisticated yet not overly busy. Number 9, layer lighting. In a room with light colors, adding some dark things like a black table or dark lampshades is a good idea. This mix stops the room from looking all the same. Dark things catch your eye and make the room more exciting but not too busy. This is great for a modern look, making the room simple yet stylish. Balancing light and dark makes the room look cool and interesting. Number 10, use mirrors and reflective surfaces. Incorporate mirrors and reflective elements to enhance the sense of space and light in your neutral room. Mirrors can make a room feel larger and more open, and reflective surfaces like glass or metallic finishes add a modern touch while bouncing light around the room. This helps in creating an airy and spacious feel, which is particularly effective in smaller or darker spaces. Take a look at these 10 must-know tips and look at your neutral room and see which ones are you missing. By incorporating all 10 tips, your room will become significantly more appealing, even with its neutral theme. Keep in mind, every neutral room still has its own distinct color palette. Do you want more videos like this? Stay tuned for our next video. Don't miss out on this. And oh, don't forget to check out the list of products we've mentioned. You'll find it in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you if you decide to make a purchase. It's a great way to support the channel, and it allows us to keep making videos like this. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for your support.